Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to check battery level on your headphones Xiaomi Buds 5 with using your iOS device. Basically you have a few options how to doing it. The first one is to create a widget, so just press and hold in empty space, then click edit or space at the left top. Now click add widget, scroll down and click on batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you. Let's say I like this. So click add widget and you can check a battery level. And the second one and better one option is to use an application. So just open it. And right here we can check a battery level of our left one and right one earbuds and the charging case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!